Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon. Beta, I'll just be back in a minute. Let me get my English creative writing. No, sorry. What we are going to do, English comprehension. Everybody go and get your English comprehension. Yesterday we did not do it. Today we are going to do English comprehension.
I think we'll start a new chapter.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Ready?
Ma'am, we will start a new chapter.
Yes, the one that you had sent me.
The day the screen went black.
Yes, the day the screen went blank. Now, what you have to do whenever you'll do English comprehension with me, you have to sit with your dictionaries. So if you're not sitting with your dictionary, go get your dictionary. Okay? And everybody, please switch your cameras on. Let's start reading. Who will read? Everybody is here. Pratyak, Harsh, Anmol, Zoya, Devansh. All of you, are you here?
Ma'am, should I read, Risha? Ma'am, should I read Hospital?
Everybody will read. I will call out names in between. Just pay attention to what the reader is reading. In between, I'll call anyone's name. Let's begin with Rishabh.
Okay, ma'am. Chapter 11. The day the screen went blank. Reading. One day, sometimes strange happened. Children came home from school and actually took a nap. They woke up refreshed and went out into the park to play. There was so much time all the park in the city were full
Anmol.
of children swimming.
Anmol, start reading.
Ma'am, I am late, so I don't know what we're doing.
Sit down, sorry, Anmol. Sit at one place. Open up page number 57 of your book. English comprehension book.
Okay, ma'am.
मैम मैंने छोड़ा स्विमिंग I left in swimming.
Then, next. Zoya. Zoya, are you there? Zoya is not there. Devansh, are you there?
Ma'am, I am there.
Start reading, Zoya. Start reading, hurry up.
I'm from page number 57.
Beta, so that means you're not paying attention. Na? You're not attentive in class. We have already come to page number 58. There was so much time. The first line of page number 58.
Okay.
There was so much time. All the parks in the city were full of children swinging and playing hide and seek, or just enjoying the cool breeze and the lovely flowers. Father and mother completed their
Shish,
work and
start. Shish, start. Page number 58. Devansh, page number 58, second paragraph.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, from where? Because ma'am, I was reading.
Why?
Bard was an engineer.
Why were you not attentive to what the reader was reading? Pratyaksh, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Start reading.
Fathers and mothers completed their work and decided to take their families out. Homework was done super quick and well. Some children even dug out their old storybooks and went into fairyland or up to the moon. What was the reason for all this odd behavior? The cable operators were on strike. Television screens had gone blank and something else had to be done. Suddenly,
Anmol. Anmol, start reading.
Suddenly, everyone realized that there were so many more interesting things to do with her than just watch television every spare moment of the day. Do you know that some people call a television set an yeah, ma'am, ma'am, what is it in there?
An idiot.
An idiot box. And do you know what they called television viewers? Couch potato.
Couch
potato.
potatoes. Couch potatoes. Okay, Sarthak, start reading.
What, ma'am?
Beta,
Mom, they are
start
saying we can't
reading.
watch TV.
Start reading.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I think my network is not proper, so ma'am, can I rejoin?
Can you rejoin? No, beta, it's proper. We can hear you very clearly. Your voice is not cracking also.
Ma'am, but I can't anyone's video or anything.
Okay, rejoin. Okay, who will read now? Stuti.
The man who invited television couldn't have
Beta, invited or invented?
invited television.
Stuti, read it properly. The
Yes,
word is invented, not invited.
Okay, ma'am. The man who invented television could have
Could have, nahi beta, couldn't have. See, N apostrophe T is also written. The man who invented television couldn't have imagined
how popular his
Invention.
invention was going to be. Do you know who he was? His name was John
Loki Bed.
John
Logie Baird.
Baird.
engineer who had got tired of his job. He started invention things, but most of these things didn't work. And soon Bayard was broke. He was then 35
Okay,
years
Shirish, read.
He was then 35 years old. He borrowed money from his friend and invented a machine that could send pictures. That was the first television, and ever since then, people have got completely addicted to it. Try to imagine life without television. Would it be good or bad? That is for your decide.
Perfect. So, did you find any word in the whole passage, in the whole chapter, or in the whole story that needs to be looked in the dictionary? Is there any word difficult as such?
Ma'am.
Just go through it because I didn't find. I found it like all words are very simple, and you would have also. I think you have understood. Or if there is
Ma'am,
any word,
refreshed
then
we
let
know.
me know.
Ma'am,
Refresh we know, ma'am. Strange we know, ma'am. hide and seek, cool breeze.
Ma'am,
कौन सा दिन है एक तो दिन है मैं
what
पता
is
चल
the
रहा है
meaning of borrowed?
What is the meaning of
Ma'am,
Borrow.
borrowed.
borrow? Okay, I don't have money. I have to buy something. So I will say, I will borrow money from you.
आज देखिए
I will say,
आज
please give me some money. I will return it to
दिन
you later.
Yes.
Borrow
Anmol,
is to take something udhar.
Ma'am, for
Borrow is to take something udhar. Okay.
Ma'am, what is couch potato?
Couch potato, beta, the meaning is given. The people who just sit and watch television, they are called couch potatoes. What is a couch? Couch is a divan or a sofa where you sit and watch television. And because you keep sitting for long hours, so what do you become? You become like a potato. You become fat. That is couch potato. Okay?
So, ma'am, Doug. Ma'am, what is the meaning of Doug in this poem?
Dug, D-U-G. Where is the word? Tell me.
Dug out their old storybooks and it went
Dug
into
out. Okay. Dug out
fairyland or
means
up to the moon.
निकालना, खोद के निकालना. जो इतने टाइम से अंदर थी, उनको क्या किया उन्होंने? Dug is the past form
सारा
of
सामान
dig.
बाहर निकाला और ले ली.
Dug is the past form of dig. We dig the ground.
Okay.
Yes, so that is dug.
What is fairyland?
Fairyland. Fairyland is a land of like fairies, सपनों की दुनिया.
Oh.
Any other word?
What is fairy?
Angels, fairies, परियां.
yes.
Okay. Okay. Now, this story, anything that you did not understand, anything in this story? So, what is this story
Ma'am?
about? Yes.
Now I want to ask that
Ma'am,
he just
invention of
borrowed some money from
television.
his friend and he invented a machine. So
Yes.
ma'am, why didn't he borrow money when he just left his
Ma'am,
job?
Beta, because the money was finished, his money was over. So what he did, he borrowed money from his friend to make this invention. Because all his inventions before were a failure. And he broke. Yes? The day anyone else
He broke.
broke means उसका दिल टूट गया.
Oh.
है ना? When you try to attempt, you try to do things one after the other and nothing comes out successful or nothing gives out a good result. So what happens? You are ultimately
like-
disappointed and you
he broke
get
the heart.
yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, I tried to make my dad axe and ma'am, I was not able to just make it in the first try. It take me days to just practice it, how to draw it on cardboard.
Yes.
And ma'am, it took 1 week, just 1 week for cutting.
Okay, beta. Okay.
And
Now
because I
let's
don't have
come
the
back to
time
the
to do it.
chapter. The day the screen went blank. That means the day the television screen went blank. Why did it go blank? What happened? Was there no
Ma'am,
electricity?
because the
Ma'am,
cable
because
operator
the television
were on strike.
Yes.
invented.
The cables operator were on strike. So what happened that day? That day, all good things. Children went out to park. They had a good sleep. They did their homework very well and nicely. They did it on time. Parents started to spend time with their children. They took them out. So life happened on that particular day. So let's come on to the question answers. The text talks about what? Life without televisions or life without parks?
Life without televisions.
Televisions. Bede was a telephone operator or an engineer?
Engineer.
Engineer. Nobody could watch television because
Cable operator were on strike.
the cable operators were on strike. Okay.
Ma'am, first answer is life without parks.
No, life without television. This text is about life without television. List some of the things that people did on the day the screens went blank. Now find it from the story and write it yourself. What all people did when the
Ma'am,
school
2 to
no,
3
nobody
points.
will say. List some of the things. So maybe just 4 things.
I'm 3.
And what is the meaning of strike?
Like
Meaning
we
of what?
say, ma'am, strike.
Strike is when.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
No, how will you explain? Like if the teachers be on strike, so what will the teachers do? They will not come to school. Nobody will be there to teach you. So the cable operators for some reason were on strike. They wanted some of their wishes to get fulfilled, so they were on strike.
Yes, ma'am. It's like when we say that we don't eat it. So अगर आप हमें अच्छा खाना नहीं दोगे तो हम खाना ही नहीं खाएंगे. Ma'am, like that.
Yes, in Hindi, strike is known as hartal.
Yes, ma'am. When we say to our mothers that we will not eat it, or if you won't give me good food, I will not eat anything this night.
Yes, Anmol.
Ma'am, strike called the Andolan.
Not andolan, beta. It is like hartal. Not doing.
Ma'am, like,
Yes.
ma'am, like someone is not I'm like someone is not doing the thing that you want, so they will not do anything and say, okay,
Like, see, beta, like if I don't do my profession, I'm a teacher. If all the teachers of the school go on strike, then what will happen? We will not do our work, children will not study, the schools will not run. That is known as a strike, not doing our work because of some reason. It is not that we can just decide one day let's go on strike. We can't do like that. There has to be a solid reason, genuine reason behind it. So
Yes,
maybe the
ma'am. When
cable
my
operators,
father,
shh, be quiet. Maybe the cable operators had something very genuine. So they went on some strike.
What is the meaning of genuine?
Genuine is something feasible, justified.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is answer. The day and the.
Yes.
Ma'am, this is answer.
Who is asking me? This is answer. Beta, what is this? Read it out. What is this? You have to write the answer yourself. We have discussed the chapter very nicely.
ma'am, it's the chapter name. Ma'am, they have asked when did he. Ma'am, they are asking when did he invent the television. So, ma'am, there is no particular year or date given in the chapter.
Who was born when did he invent the television? His age is given.
Yes, ma'am.
There is a he was then 35
Yes.
old,
He
borrowed
Okay.
when
money
did he invent television? He invented television at the age of 35.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, done.
All the questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you think that television is a useful invention? Do you think it
Ma'am.
is?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it can be 50-50.
Yes. So they are saying list
50-50.
3 ways in which television can be useful. So what 3 ways have you listed? Rishabh, tell us.
What, ma'am?
List 3 ways in which a television can be useful. What are your 3 ways? What are the 3 ways in which television can be useful? Tell.
Ma'am, the 3 ways that television can be useful are in television we can watch cartoons and some movie, and the second point, some we can also watch some movies, and we can also enjoy with the help of TV, and TV also get the entertainment.
Cartoons and movies and entertainment is one point. बेटा. Cartoon movies entertainment तो एक ही point हो गया ना?
Can I tell one?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I tell one?
Yes, Sarthak, tell.
Ma'am, we television help us in many ways. Like televisions help us to know what is happening around the world through the news channels,
Very nice.
and it has many entertainment channels
Very
Ma'am,
good.
yes,
many
copy.
other. And
Ma'am, I also
in
did the
TV
same.
we can
Anmol.
do proper time pass.
Anmol, now your turn.
Ma'am, I written the 3 ways the television is useful are see movie and entertain ourselves and get information for the help from the news channels and the kids has enjoy when he see the cartoon.
Ma'am, can I tell mine?
Yes, tell.
It is a good way to time pass or to wait for something. We can know about the world by watching news. It helps us learn new things.
Very nice. Very good. Now all of you write all these answers and click picture and send it on the class group so that I can check your work hand to hand. Complete all the
So,
answers.
ma'am, can I do? So, ma'am, we have to do C, D also.
Yes, of course. Complete this chapter. Match the words with their meaning. Delicious,
Very tasty.
Super quick.
Very fast.
Very fast.
Odd.
Strange.
Strange. Very good. Broke.
To have no money.
Become so fond of something that you don't do anything. No, ma'am, that's addict.
Fond of something. No, that is addicted. That is addicted.
Hammer to have no money.
Ma'am, it will be to
Yes.
have no money.
You have no money. Then, what is the D exercise? Think and answer. Fill in this table
People
how
who
much.
watch expressive television was called couch potato. Fill the able to see how much time you actually sit in front of television.
So this you can do it for yourself. Rest just do and send it to me. Send the work to me.
So ma'am, we have to do now suggest ways that can help you limit your, and we have to do this also.
Yes, you have to suggest a few ways that can limit your television viewing time. For example, joining hobby classes, playing in the park, reading books, etc. Can minimize, can
And ma'am,
reduce.
we have to do composition also on the last page of the chapter.
So
Because that's
that you can skip because we have already discussed and done these answers. Okay,
oh, come on.
do it till here. Now everybody be quiet and start doing the work.
Ma'am, time spent daily, what we have to write in that?
What?
Ma'am, in time spent daily, what we have to write?
How many hours?
Ma'am, but I have written time of program, the time I watch.
You can write the minutes now. You can write the number of hours or number of minutes.
So ma'am, both we have to write the minutes and the time.
See, time of the program. Okay, name of the program, time of the program, and time spent daily. So if you are watching 2 programs per day, then that will come in time spent daily. One program is of 30 minutes, the other one is of 20 minutes. So total 50 minutes.
Ma'am, I have completed the table.
Ma'am, after the table, what is we written after the table?
Beta, after what?
Ma'am, after the television table.
Television table. Wait, beta. What is written? Where is television table written? Tell me the page number.
Ma'am, page number 61.
People who watch excessive television are called couch potatoes. Fill in this table to see how much time you actually sit in front of the television. This one you are asking?
Oh, ma'am, after the this.
Day of the week, program, time spent daily.
No, ma'am, I am at the bottom of this page.
Now suggest the ways that can help you limit your television viewing time. For example, joining hobby class, playing in the park, reading books. बेटा कहाँ लिखा है table? Anmol, either read it out or tell me clearly where it is written.
Am I sent?
Ma'am, nothing.
No, beta, if you have a doubt, ask me, but at least tell me clearly where it is written. I can't see the word table anywhere.
Ma'am, not table in the page number 51, bottom the page. What is the asking?
The last question
Yeah.
on page number 61.
Yes, ma'am.
They are asking to write some points that how you that कि कैसे तुम अपने टीवी देखने की आदत कम करोगे.
You have to write or you have to suggest the ways that can help you to reduce your television watching time. How can you reduce the time of watching television? By taking up physical activities, by going outdoors, by playing or by indulging yourself in other things like craft work, reading. So what do you think can reduce your television watching time? You have to tell.
Ma'am, please check mine. I've sent.
Yes, but I'll check. I'm checking it.